welcome back to another video. We coming at you live from the Shoe Palace. What's on the feets? Okay, got the beaters on today. Gonna be getting a little dirty, so I didn't want to wear no heaters. Damn, bruh, I actually forgot we had the wheels back on. Ooh, my goodness gracious. It looks so good, bruh. But yeah, we got a homie day going down on my boy Frosty's. You guys might remember the last time I did it. We were in his backyard just doing stupid shit with cars and all kind of shit. Well, I really wasn't gonna film it today, but I was like, hey, some of you guys might actually want to watch it. We might have some cool funny shit going down today. Guys, we here at the homie day, and look how my boy Cuff pulled up. Look how he pulled up. All of his whips. He crazy for that. Everything. My guy is on the floor. You static? I was about to be like, you was crazy. That's crazy. Shit, hell up. I was like, there ain't no way. Damn. All right. The homie day lit. My boy got basically slicks up front right now. Them is not even our triple eights no more. Them is just triple eights. Been doing pools. Of course, we got the cat. Oof. And we got the 15 looking amazing. God damn, bro. I'm like so in love with this car. I'm just gonna keep pushing. Look what my boy pulled up in. I didn't even know he had this. My boy got an M5 CS. Nasty with it. All that ass though. Ah man, I need to put my spats on. It's bothering me so much. It looks so naked. Okay, the AMG. You guys want to see fresh kicks? What's up, my G? Oh, he charging up. He charging up. He big mad. What's good? What's happening? Nah. He about to ram my shit. Look at him. What's up, my G? What's good, my G? You the goat, huh? You the goat, huh? Oh, he going crazy. He going buck wild. We even got the lowriders cracking. You look like you came straight from Compton right now. All over me. It's literally like my boss twin. Got my boy Junior shit out. The black looks clean, man. He just had it ceramic coated and shit. Ain't corrected. Looks nice. You guys remember the PT Cruiser? Here's the 4Gs. Big ass motherfucker. got all the mamalonas lined up too. Damn. You guys missed the 125? I remember my 2-smoker days. Damn, my boy put up on the drag pack. Bro, that shit is beast. That thing is huge. Look at the tome on that thing. A la verga. We really got mini Irwindale out here. Jeez, take over in the dirt. Look who pulled up. If it ain't Monty. Pulled up in the 34. Okay, fitted too. Alright. Let me get you a sticker, sir. You know the vibes. It's dope. Well guys, we made it back to the Shoe Palace. S15 is in one piece. Honestly man, she drives so good. Driving this compared to the SR, super laggy, like the boost comes in super late. It just was, I don't know, it just didn't feel right. And now the car is like, bruh. I don't know what the AR is on this turbo, but it is super responsive, bro. Even 6th gear on the freeway, if I punch it, it spools right up, like no problem. So the thing drives great, bro. Like you don't even have to hit hard boost and it's just super fun to drive. Honestly, it reminds me a lot of the 340i just because it has like so much low end torque. Like this car, obviously the torque is there. If you're driving around at like 30-40% throttle, you don't really get that pull feeling until you like really punch it. But this thing, you drive around 30% throttle, it is like pulling, like it just wants to go. And right now it's probably only making like 350, maybe, if that. It's already spinning as is. So if we do turn it up to 500 plus, this shit is gonna be like all over the place. Yeah, I just don't really have any room for meat. Like I could put an RAAA and maybe take off the spacer and it might fit, maybe. But I don't know, I'm gonna be testing my luck at that point because I don't want to raise it. I don't want to throw the car on a tire and nothing like that. Like I really want to keep this look slammed, nice fitment, just super clean. Like I love how it looks right now. So I don't know, we'll see in the future what happens as far as traction. This is my first time swapping a car, finishing it and actually driving it, so I kind of didn't know what to expect. But bro, it drives so good. Like the thing just cruises on the freeway. When I want power, it's there. Yeah, I'm so happy with this car, it's not even funny. I'm still waiting on the feel rail thing so I can put the other manifold on, and then when I put the other manifold on, we're gonna do the hood pins. I definitely do wanna come and get the rear spats on. After I put the rear spats, I want to put the side splitters on as well, so that way we can have a full aero kit. So that's that, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. It wasn't nothing really crazy, just kind of some bullshitting around. But hope you guys enjoyed it, man. Definitely stay tuned, subscribe to the channel. You already know I got more content coming with this thing. Catch you guys in the next video.